Alright everybody, welcome back, and here we are gonna be working on the clone that we were working on so far. So let's just simply get started from here on and see how many things we can just simply do today. Just a minute, let me get the setup ready, and once that's ready I'll continue. Hopefully everything's alright. Yeah, the setup ready. Okay, so I was just simply sort of refactoring it using this using ChatGPT and all. So let's see how we can even refactor it better, and then we'll keep going on. So the one thing is doing lots of unrelated work. So handle text editing pointer up, handle the size end, just a sec, handle tool reset, drawing end, and this. Let me see how can I make it better. So we have pointer down, that is only this much long, and that's good. Then we have route pointer move, that is also fine, and pointer move, update cursor, and route pointer move, this is also fine. Let's talk about this one. So in here we are actually doing quite a lot of things. Okay, so the first thing that can be handle text editing on pointer up. So all this logic is for that only, this much. So handle text editing on pointer up. So let me cut this from here. Function handle text editing on pointer up, paste it in here. That is it. It seems to be alright. So the selected shape, if the selected shape type is this, then in that case we'll be getting the duration now, and after that we'll check, we'll set, and the job is sort of done. So yeah, that's fine. And apart from this particular thing, what is the next thing that we can do? That is handle resize, and this is what getting the job done. If resizing, okay, let's do one thing, create another function for this resize, and it's all about refactoring it in the best way possible, that is it. And as for that is resizing, I'm gonna cut it from here and gonna paste it in here. So this is gonna be alright. And learn resize, and then what could be the next one? That is gonna be handle tool reset. We are doing reset erase background, handle erase end, this is actually gonna be handle erase end, right? Simply keep it here, and hopefully this should be fine. So handle resize and handle erase end, and probably what could be the next one? Handle drawing end. So this is going to be the for drawing, and handle tool reset. We'll just simply cut this thing from here and paste it in here. And then we have handle drawing end, and this is sort of that only. So when it comes to pointer up drawing, so it just simply handles that only, is that case. So whenever the pointer up happens, we are just simply getting rid of all these things. So Okay, so we've sort of done the things. Let me see if it still works. Oh yeah, so it sort of seems to be working. Going ahead. Okay, okay with this. What is the next thing that we can do? Let me see what other suggestions are given by the AI. I'm just simply looking for the suggestions. And this thing is already done. Viewport helpers we can create. The viewport helper will mainly contain screen to canvas and canvas to screen. That is great. So far we don't really have that, but for them I'm actually using this utility function. So we have get canvas coordinates and it just simply does the job. So the better way can be that exporting them or returning them using a hook. So that's gonna be use viewport. Use viewport.ts. But the thing is that in that way I'll have to use it everywhere. And where all am I using this? So it's actually being used inside Zoom controller. That is a component that is fine for that. Then use drawing, use image upload, then use pointer helpers, use text editing, get coordinates. That is fine then. Okay with this. Export default use viewport helpers. What should I name them? Should it be viewport helpers? Yeah, sort of. The only thing is that it has a few things missing. So let's just simply get them. Done. And done. Get canvas to screen coordinates and get screen to canvas coordinates. We are simply returning them. So overall we have it here, and apart from this particular thing, now whenever I use, I don't need to pass many things. That's gonna be a good option here. So in that case I can completely get rid of this get canvas coordinates, and apart from this particular thing I can actually come back here, and now we need a few things. These 4 things I'm actually gonna be deleting them from here. So ultimately what I'll do, that is this. So getting them in here. I might not be able to speak much, so that is why I just simply keep going on like this. Not in a situation of speaking, but okay, we can definitely work on the features. So this thing is done. Screen X, screen Y, ultimately this is nothing but the event. This is called getting the coordinates. That's fine. And get a string to canvas coordinates. Alright then, this seems to be fine, and it's time to fix it whenever we are using this. These are the places where it's being used. It's gonna take a lot of time, and I cannot just simply keep doing that. I'll be back after what? How many minutes? After 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'll actually continue from here. I'm sort of feeling sleepy, even if I'm doing this. So after taking a nap and all, I'll be back, and then we'll work on this, and this is how it will keep going on. Bye bye. Take care, and I'll see you soon.